So I got this Odes, and it hasn't been running in a couple years. I'll show you guys what to look for. When you got something like this, it won't start for you. In my case, it's been sitting for a couple of years. You kind of got to go through everything. So you're looking for a couple things. You want to make sure you have spark to the spark plug. You want to make sure you have compression. You want to make sure you have fuel. And, well, fourth would be timing. So I've got a couple things set up here. I'm going to kill two birds with one stone. Got my compression tester set up here. Got my spark plug sitting just in the boot, and I'm going to rest it right on the block. And we're going to see if I get spark. As you see, I got my battery charger charging the old battery that's in there. Right now it's probably not going to fire, but the battery might be junk, but we can give it a shot. See if we can get the spark going with the spark plug. Okay, not turning fast enough. Alright, so I'm going to grab the starter rope, and we're going to do compression test and check the spark at the same time. Let's watch the spark plug. You guys can see that while I'm pulling it over, but yeah, saw a little spark. Alright, well, I don't know if you guys could see it, but I already did the test. I know I've got spark. We'll give this thing a couple cranks, and I'll show you how much compression I got. Now let's sit this down for a little bit. It's easier for me to do when I'm not holding the camera. What you want to do too is when you're testing the compression, you also want to hold the throttle open. Zero compression. Blindfold. Whew, that was a workout. I didn't give her all the way, but I got compression. So that's one out of two things eliminated. You know, I got compression and I got spark. So the next thing I'm going to do is check to make sure how fuel works. So a couple things you can do is grab a little starting fluid, put it in the throat the carburetor there, fire it up. As you can see, for video purposes, I have the fuel tank off, and of course the fuel line isn't hooked up to the carb. So I will do that next. Maybe we can get this baby fired up yet. Alright, so I got myself some starting fluid, got my fuel line hooked up, got my filter. Now, this is my first time starting this, so I don't know what's going to happen. My spark plug hooked back up. See what happens here. Key on. Kill switch is on. I know is that boot for the carburetor. Lucky for me, I had a Honda back there that I robbed the carburetor from in the boot. That's how you check for everything. Make sure you got it running. I think that's pretty awesome. I hope I taught you guys some things. That's pretty cool. I thought there was something more wrong with this than what was led on to be. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my videos for more ATV fixes. So I got that Honda back there. Did some work on that. I was fortunate enough to have this sitting around that I could take the carburetor and the boot off, because this Odes is a Honda Rancher clone engine in there. So all the parts from a Honda will fit on here. And as you can see, the TRX 350 carburetor, the boot. I just got to finish charging my brand new battery. Have a nice running machine. So, if you guys have issues with trying to get something like this started, so do you want to check spark? If you don't have spark, check your wiring. Your wiring on the four-wheelers, these Chinese ATVs, they have some wiring issues. If you got no spark, check the CDI box. Check all your connections, make sure your battery's good. Once again, compression. Take your rocker cover off. Check the gap between the rockers. Make sure you got compression. Make sure you got the timing right. And once again, make sure you got fuel, just like I did. Thanks for watching. Sorry, a little excited. I didn't think this thing would start, but thanks for watching.